Hello everyone, this is me, Mama Shao Vlog, and today we're going to unbox one of the parcels that I have received today. So this is the 3-layer car cover, waterproofed, with extra large 3 times large, extra large in size. So guys, I have received this package just this day, and I just want to flex this one to you. And after, I'm going to cover it to our car to check whether it fully fits our car. Charot! So okay guys, it's well packed with bag and another bag. Thank you very much, dear seller, for this. And backpack, as it's contained. Bag. Wow, it's so big. So this is a 3-layer car cover, waterproof. It's so big, guys. So with a size of 3XXL. It's so big, guys, and later we will fit this to the car. So thank you very much, dear seller, for this. So guys, actually I just want to share this video. So I have purchased this impressive car cover from Hot Tops on TikTok. Hot Tops on TikTok, guys. So can you please follow? And if you wanted to order, just feel free to chat them. So Hot Top on TikTok. So this is me, Mama Shao Vlog, and I am recommending this store. Thank you, and God bless always.
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so